Planning a trip to Egypt in 2026? Imagine walking through history at the pyramids of Giza, cruising the Nile at sunset, diving into the Red Sea, and discovering hidden treasures in Alexandria, all in one unforgettable adventure. Let's explore the top 5 must-visit destinations and insider tips you won't find in ordinary guides. Cairo is where history and modern life meet. Marvel at the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx, and explore the Egyptian Museum for treasures like King Tut's golden mask. Walk through Khan el-Khalili Bazaar to experience local culture, street food, and souvenirs. Traditional dishes like kosheri or falafel make exploring the city delicious and budget-friendly. Luxor is a living museum. Visit Karnak Temple and Luxor Temple, then take a sunrise hot air balloon ride for breathtaking views of the Nile and the Valley of the Kings. The ancient tombs and temples tell stories of pharaohs and myths, offering a deep dive into Egypt's history. Aswan provides a peaceful pace. Sail a felucca boat on the Nile. Visit Philae Temple and take a short trip to Abu Simbel, one of Egypt's most iconic monuments. Experience Nubian culture in colorful villages and shop for handmade crafts in local markets. For sun, sand, and underwater adventures, the Red Sea resorts are perfect. Snorkel or dive to see coral reefs teeming with marine life, or relax on pristine beaches. Resorts cater to both luxury and budget travelers, making it ideal for all types of tourists. Alexandria blends history, culture, and coastal beauty. Visit the Biblioteca Alexandrina, stroll along the Corniche, and explore the citadel of Kite Bay. Enjoy local seafood and Mediterranean vibes for a unique experience away from inland cities. Hidden insights, insider tips. Cairo, visit the pyramids early morning to avoid crowds and get perfect photos. Luxor, take a guided tour to understand the historical context of tombs and temples. Aswan, felucca rides at sunset are more peaceful and less expensive than tourist packages. Red Sea, spring and fall offer the best conditions for diving and snorkeling. Alexandria, try local seafood and small cafes for authentic flavors away from tourist traps. Before your 2026 Egypt adventure, follow these practical tips. Plan and book early. Secure tours, accommodations, and activities in advance for the best deals. Dress respectfully. Modest clothing helps when visiting temples, mosques, and traditional areas. Carry small cash, useful for markets, street vendors, and tipping. If this video inspired your Egypt trip, save it for later and subscribe to explore more travel guides, tips, and insider secrets for 2026.